The SABC sadly confirms the death of one of its investigators into the Thabo Bester escape case. Circumstances surrounding the death of the senior officer, who is also the head of organized crime in the Free State, remains a subject of a police investigation. We can confirm that in-house employee health and wellness experts have been dispatched to provide psychosocial services to the family and colleagues of the deceased member. The National Commissioner of the South African Police Service, General Umphenyi Masemola, has sent his condolences to the family of the deceased. He has described the detective as a hardworking, loyal, and dedicated member with over 31 years of service. Over the years, this member has proven himself to be a highly skilled detective with a wealth of knowledge and experience in crime detection.